Hi, my name is Angad
Hi, myself
and
Trishna
I
Rani.
work
I have
on
completed my
my finance
internship with
analyst
Unified
internship
Mentor as a full stack web
at Unified
development
Mentor,
intern. It
which
was a
was a
great
really
learning
great
experience.
experience.
I got to
Great
work
learning
on the
experience.
projects like
I
weather
worked
app
on
which uses API integration or
analyzing
student
data
teacher
and
booking
creating
apartments
dashboards
which
using
also uses
Excel,
Firebase
Power
and Cloud
BI, and
Firestore.
various
I
other
had
AI tools,
such a
which help
great
me
time working
understand
on this
how raw
project which
data can be
makes my knowledge
actually
or
transformed
my
into
theoretical knowledge work
useful
into the practical ones.
insights.
It improved
The
my skills in
work was
HTML,
practical
CSS,
and helped
JavaScript,
me
and
improve my
also I
analytical
happened to
thinking.
learn new skills
Overall,
like
I'm
React,
grateful
Node,
for the opportunity
and
and the
Firebase as well.
exposure I got during my
I had
internship.
such a great time.
Thank you.
Overall, the mentors in Unified
Hi,
Mentor are
my
so
name is
supportive.
Angad Nayak,
Any doubts can be
and
solved if I
I
message
work
them or
on
call them in any time,
my
which
finance
was a
analyst
great thing which
internship
makes every task
at
easier.
Unified Mentor, which
Thank
was
you,
a really
Unified
great
Mentor, for
experience.
giving me this
Great learning
opportunity, and I'll
experience.
recommend to all the
I
students to
worked
gain the
on
work experience and
analyzing
the
data
real
and
life
creating
experiences.
dashboards
Thank you.
using Excel.